This is a short descriptive video of a Copal digital alarm clock, flip clock, the LP235, and yes, you see it well, it is new old stock, brand new in box. Not only is this model rare, I only think the past 15 years I've had one of these, owned one of these and sold it, of course, because that's what I do, I buy them and sell them. It has very nice fluorescent lighting inside, and what some of the models do by Copal, has a separate light for the alarm. Very nice. And the odd thing about this one is, of course, as you can see, the numbers, they're different than what we're used to, and also you can see at the bottom the base color is white, so it has been painted. No idea why, but it suits it well. So let me see. Yeah, there you see it flipping. I'll just sound the alarm. Loud and clear as usual. And there we have the instruction manual, all the inserts for the box there. That's it, thank you for watching.